Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Voyage Polish Nashville and Cici and Sisi 34 East Style. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat, and this is Voyage Nashville. It's a beautiful glittery polish. It's a thermal too. I am working my way through my thermals that I got at the Polish and Beauty Expo in Nashville this summer. And I want to make sure to get these thermals worked through. The formula on this one was really good. And you can see it kind of dries down kind of matte. Hi Woody, how you doing? Very nice. Thank you. And here we go with our second coat of Nashville. And this one's really fun to wear. I love that it had the glitters in it and you know, and I really like that it dried down to that kind of matte look. You know, for those of you that like the matte look, now I'm going to slap a glossy top coat on it, but it's nice when you've got polishes that can go either way. So there we go with our second coat. Can I add just a little bit more here so I don't have to do a third coat? There we have it. I'm going to top it with I&M's Out the Door. We're going to get this to dry down so that we can do some playing. You can see that line from the top coat. Ah, there we go. Beautiful. Squishy, squishy. You can see it changing on my thumb a little bit. So very nice. And here's about 3 swatch photos, different, you know, looks of it. Very cool. Loving it. I'll be using Cici and Sisi 34 East Style plate. And this old Bundle Monster number 10 purple stamping polish. Got my AliExpress stamper and my H. La Costa Dora scraper out today. I'm going to be so sad when I'm out of this purple stamping polish because I have really used it a bunch. I love it. It's just so pretty. It's a pretty one. Alright, so we're going to stamp that on there. And then I'm going to clean this stamper off on my lint roller, and we're going to hop in with some acetone and get that stamping plate clean. We're going to go at this some more. We're going to just keep, and I'm kind of scrubbing it in to the image. It's got some real fine lines, so doing a little bit of scrubbing and extra scraping. Rolling that image and picking it up, and then we're going to, ta-da! Alright, I'm going to use another part of this stamping plate. There's a buffet image up on the top. Or, yes, at the top of the plate. And I'm just going to pull up a little bit of this image for the other nails. It's kind of got like a swirly, windy, eye-looking circle thing. And I liked it. So I thought I'd use it. And they'll all be stamped. I am stamping them all. They're all going to be accent nails today. Trying to figure out how I had that positioned on the other nail and getting as close as I can on this one. There we go. We're all stamped up. Now we're going to go in with a little piece of tape and get some of the excess stamping polish off of my skin. And now I'm going to hop in with my cleanup brush. It's Mass Tone. I'm almost totally out of frame. Alright, we're going to top it now with Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. You can see that it's doing the little French tip with the you know, color change. And now I'm going to add my final top coat, my Poshe. I'm going to seal this one in and it will be completed. I really did love this polish. I thought it was really nice and it was so much fun to wear. I love wearing thermal polishes. There are 3 swatch photos here. 2 of them are kind of similar. One's just more on the little bit of the tip. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.